just been balling out every season.
It's the first rule of journalism. You give the people what they want.
That's not the first rule of journalism.
What is going on with you guys today? It is your boy, He Got Shoe Gang. Welcome back to another unboxing review and non-feed for you guys today. Before we get started with this video today, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button down below for your boy, Profile Boy. It really gets this channel going and it gets me going to where I want to be. Today, I got a Nike Air Force One. Peace, love, and basketball. And if you guys know that shoe, it's a fire shoe in my opinion. Can't wait to bring this shoe to you guys. But without further ado, I just want to say that for you guys watching this video, you guys, I got something for y'all on Saturday, which is the Jordan 1 Mochas. Yes, I did get a spot for the raffle, and luckily I got them. I just gotta pick them up on Saturday, but yeah, this video is not about the Jordan 1 Mochas. This video is about the Nike Air Force Ones that I got, and let's just get straight into it. Yeah. Got your box right here, straight from Nike. You know, when I saw these, I was like, man, they fire. I like the little design that they have on them. Especially, you know, I do like Air Force Ones. If they have a nice little, you know, colorway to them, you know, I might go ahead and get them. And that's what I did for you guys. You know, I want to bring this shoe to you guys because I don't think there's really any videos out there on them. So, wanted to make sure that, you know, your boy bring y'all this video. Okay, so here you got it. You know, your standard original Air Force One box. Label reads Air Force One 07 level 8.3, speed yellow, black, laser blue, size 10. Now when I did get these, they didn't have my size, unfortunately, so I got a size 10. And the day after I did get them, they ended up restocking in my size, and then that same day they sold out. So people do like these shoes. But let's get into it. Yeah, here you got your lot number. Now about this shoe, you know, the colorway on it, it's really out there. It's a loud shoe. Ooh, yes sir. Look at that. Look at you see the yellow. You see the yellow. Fire. You see the drip. Fire. You see the purple Nike Air. Fire. Okay, these shoes. Ooh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. I like these, man. I like these. These are fire. Now, about this shoe, you got, you know, a nice little drip here. You know, your Nike Swoosh. Here in the back, you got a smiley face with the check mark as the mouth, and it got some drip to it. You got the drip to it, and then you got the Nike Air Force One tag here on the tongue. It brings a psychedelic style to your feet. The Nike Air Force One features a melting smiley face on the heel and a drippy swoosh design on the upper for good vibes. Now this size ranges from a 7 to a size 18 in men, and for grade school it's a 3.5Y to a 7. So but if you guys like this shoe, go ahead and leave a like, because these shoes are fire in my opinion. It almost has like a paint type, has like a painting, feels like a paint, you know, like somebody just grabbed some paint and painted this shoe with the yellow. But fire shoe, fuego in my opinion. You know, on the bottom you have know, some blue little circles, and then you got a white, sole on the inside. You got a Nike Peace Love basketball with the skeleton sign. See that? Dope shoe in my opinion. I rate these shoe. The colorway just kind of throws me off a little bit, but they are fire. I give these an 8 out of a 10. Maybe if they had a different colorway, maybe like a red or something, like a red all around, and then like a, you know, no wait, I changed that. Maybe a black all around with a red swoosh. Oh, fire, man, fire. I like the concept and what Nike did with this shoe. Other than that, it's a keeper. It's a keeper in my opinion. But other than that, you see right here, the stitching is black too. Right here, it's black. Stitching is black. I'm not gonna forget to mention that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But you know, guys, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. And if you can hit that subscribe button as well, we're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Stay tuned for Saturday. I got the Jordan 1 Mochas. Review will be coming soon. Fire shoe in my opinion. So happy that I got those and secured the spot. But yeah, it's your boy. He got Shoe Game and we checking out. Sure.
It looks like you lost another one.